So we are going to show you a very simple dish which is an age-old dish in India called chas or buttermilk. So let's get started. I'm going to take 1/4 cup of yogurt with 1 cup of water. You can do this in your liquidizer also, or you can with the hand churner. This proportion is just right to making the thin consistency, which is called charge. But if you'd like to have a thicker version, then take half the quantity of water, but that is called mattha. And mattha is usually taken when you have a digestion problem or you have an upset stomach. So that satiates and settles your stomach a little. To this, I'm going to add a little salt, half a teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, because I like more cumin in it, but you can take as much as you want. So now I'm going to mix the two together. Just a light churn. So now our charge is ready and I'm pour it into a nice glass. Keep it cool in the refrigerator before serving. Let's see if we can garnish it. I have a split green chilli here, which I'm just going to put on the side. I have some chopped green chilies, not too much, but a little bit of chopped ginger if you like, a little bit of green coriander on the top, and I always like to sprinkle a little jeera powder on top. That brown and green is just superb. It is usually drunk either before a meal as an appetizer or after the meal as a digestive. And please, a request to subscribe to Rajshri Food. Bye bye.